Hi, welcome to the .NET Core series. In this video, I am going to implement the product endpoint, and for this, I have do some modifications. I have created the product models that contain the product ID, name, price, and category, image, and description, and also the entry date. So I have created the user product detail just like contain the other field same as the product model has. So after that I modify I have modified the DB context file. So and I have already created the product endpoint. So this is the sample for the product endpoint. So now I have to implement all of these methods. Get return the list of products and get product by ID, add new product, update and delete the products. So before moving to the implementation of products, so I have to do some changing in the automapper. I have to copy this. Just copy this and replace the user detail with the product detail and user profile with the products. So I have to do this. Here will be the product and now I have to replace it with the product detail. And now I have to inject the DB context file. I can take something from where, copy paste it here. Just create the constructor, go tab and add references for the mapper. I'm taking the program mapper from the account control. So I have to change the control name and do some configuration here. So replace. Now I have to add the DB context class here. Create the DB context object. So just go and copy the name and paste it here. Change the name with the context. Add references for the context file and pass it in the constructor as a parameter. So assign it in the constructor. So now we have injected some dependencies in our product controller. First one is the DB context class to access the products entity, and second one is mapper, and third one is the iLogger. So now I have to convert this method, simple method to async. So I have to do some changes. Action result, and it will contain an available list. Return the it will return an available list which will be the product detail. I can get this. So I have to add the references of product detail. Now I have to remove this and move on. list equal to context dot products. So this may be some, I think so I have this some packages, so that's why it's showing to list. I have to call the to list async here. Just press control dot and add the references for that. So you see that the reference array is moved. Now I have to use automapper, um, assign product entity to do product DTO. So for this I have to create the product fixed object and mapper.map, and this will contain the memorable product DTO. This is the destination. So in this case, the destination is product DTO and the source will be the list. We are doing some here. The this method will return the list, and now I have us create assign list object to product DTO. I have to add some validation here. If list equal to null, then I have to return the not found. And else it will return the product list, so I have to do return okay with product list. So here what we have to do, we are reading the product list from the database and after assigned to the list, and here we are getting the list that is here. The list for list variable contain the product list, and I have assigned here list item to the product detail. So through the auto mapper, I have in the single line of code, one list object is mapped to the product detail. So now I have to change the get method. I have to just copy this and replace it here and just remove the enable. So it will return the single entity instead of the list. So I have to just add it here. Just press double tap. So it will return the product on the basis of product ID, which I have provided it here, and through the find asyncs. Now in this scenario, I have to just copy this, and because I am going to because I am returning the product detail, so that's why I have to pass the product object to the product detail object. So I have to just copy this and if product equal to null then return not found, and else it will return the okay with the product. Now I have implemented the product list and get product by ID. Two method implement successfully. Now I have to do to implement the delete method. I have to just copy this and paste it here, and this method will not return anything, so I have to just add it here and remove the video. Now I don't need the auto mapper, and I need this remove the product and save changes asyncs. So I have written okay. So here I have find the product by ID. If product is null, then it will return the record not found. And after if product is find, so this method will remove the product. So I have implemented the three methods successfully. Which one is get, which one is returning the list, and get product by ID and read product by ID. So now I have to implement the post method. So I have to just copy this and remove the form body and create object for product detail. Now I have to validate that if product is equal to null, then it will return the not found. So it is the it's getting some error. I have to take this, just paste it here. So if product d2 is equal to null, then return not found, and else I have to map product d2 to the product. So I have to change product d2, just replace product d2 with product. So now it is mapped with this. So now I have to save the product, and for this I just simply product dot add asyncs and product. So I can add a wait here. Wait, this also here the save changes async. So now the user is created. I have to just return that created at action. It will take the action name, which is the post, and now id equal to product dot id, and it will return. Now I have to return the product model. One thing I have to add this try catch to catch the exception if something went wrong. Add this here. Now I have to return status code 500, and it will contain the exception message. So here is the post method implementation. When user hit the post method with the after providing all information, so it will validate if product D2 is null, then it will return not found. And if product D2 is not null, so map product D2 to product. So and then save the message, and we return the created at action. Action will be the post and newly created ID and the product mm, model. So next I have to configure two configuration for the put method. So just copy this and remove the from body. We add the product to here and just copy the async functionality. So in this put now I have to validate the if id greater than 0 less than equal to 0. Sorry, then I have to return back request. That request, and if I have to just copy this and paste it here because first I have to find the product by ID, and now we have updated that. First I have added ID less than equal to 0, then it will be the bad request, and now we are finding the product by ID. If it is null, then we are returning the not found. So now I have to map the this product detail with the product. So I have to mapper dot map. As you can see that I can type here the sorry product and The source is the product detail. Here we have I have I'm doing some mistake here. So here is the scenario change. So here will come the product detail and here is the product. We are transforming we can say that assigning product detail to product. So because we product detail has the values and product also has values because we are prime by id. Now we have to replace values with product detail with product. So because we are doing the updating functionality. Now I have to update entry state dot modified and save generated things. What is the issue behind that? I think I am doing right. What will be the issue? No, this that is not the issue. Here is a mistake. I have to change the entity with the state because we are going to update the record. So now I have to return no content. In this case, I don't need to return the detail. So I have just press Control K to Control K and D to formatting the code. So in this video, I have add product new model product and create detail and do configuration in the automapper and create product endpoint the, and perform all the actions of the this product model. So I have to change the name of all of the action method root. This will be get products and now this name will be get products by ID, and this will be the save product, add product. So I have to change this name will be the update product, and change the date method to the delete product. So thanks for watching the video. Now uh, when we run the project and in the Swagger, we can fetch the get our product by the get products, and get products by ID by these route will be shown there in the Swagger. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video, we will implement the login services to our in all the action method to track the activity and test